We're super excited about our latest review. Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. Now we're sharing it with you. We really work extremely hard to provide the best possible service, and we're proud to know that according to our reviews, people appreciate our efforts and agree that we're doing a great job. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. Come experience the difference. We want to thank you for checking us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.